Hi, my name is Michelle CD. My matrix number is 68263. This is the presentation video of our web application project proposal. Online business and advertising products via social media applications has been very helpful, at the same time are very challenging. There will be time where business done through platforms such as WhatsApp and Facebook could be a mess as others could be overlooked. In conjunction with that, our team are of the same mind on building and ordering web application for our local homemade best cooking entrepreneur. This web application could help in succeeding the business in terms of organizing the orders from the beloved customers more practicable. Through interview conducted, our team has gathered information regarding the complications faced by the targeted client, Abang Puspa cooking business. Therefore, with this proposal, our team put high hopes on solving the problems. Our web application is going to be named as Abang Puspa Cooking Web Application. It will be designed to support our client, the Abang Puspa Cooking, founded by Mr. Zohimi. The web application will include features such as viewing orders from customers at once, adding, deleting, and omitting the menu that could help the customers to view and browse the menu easily. Apart from that, this application also features a payment section that allows the customers to make payment or even canceling their orders. Abang Puspa Cooking offers delivery service, hence this web application will be developed with features of customers' delivery locations and an add note space for customers with special requests. Development of this web application surely will help Mr. Zuhimi to save time in terms of organizing his customers' orders. The company background. Founder of this homemade cooking business has been working on the business for almost 2 years and is based in Kampung Patiambun, Limbang, Sarawak. Inspired by cooking YouTube channel and due to the family needs of extra financial, Mr. Zuhimi comes to the idea of starting this business. He also works as a security guard, therefore orders are only open during days through Facebook and WhatsApp. As for delivery service, it is only made from Kampung Noran to the town of Limbang with RM1 as a delivery charge. As a way of marketing, Abang Puspa Cooking posted up customers' feedback and advertisements through social media. The most ordered menu from this homemade cooking is mee, kuih ayam, and nasi pusu. Our team background. The idea of Abang Puspa Cooking web application came from the formation of our team, which was named Imposter. Made up of 7 members, which are Michelle, Nur Alia, Pauline, Siti, Michelle, Meglin, and Julian. The given name of this team was inspired by our favorite mobile game, Among Us. Each team member has taken part and were very helpful to each other in completing this project. By the lead and advice of our respected instructor, Madam Nur Fawzajali, development of this project has made us learn a lot of skills in designing and implementing a software product. To be able to work with Mr. Zuhimi and Abang Puspa Cooking was a great pleasure and indirectly has been very uplifting to give our best in completing this project. Next part is going to be presented by my teammate, and thank you.
Greetings, my name is Nur Alia binti Gapor. My metric number is 67071 and I'm going to present the problem statement and the objectives of this proposal. Through an interview with the client has stated a few problems encountered while taking the customer's orders. The first one is, orders taken from the customers are messy and tedious to access, as the promotion and orders is managed through 2 social media platforms, which are through WhatsApp and Facebook. The next one is, the different type of menu available confuses the client, as he has to read every order thoroughly to make sure what choices of menu the customers has picked and where to deliver the food. The next one is the objectives. The first objective is the availability of the list of menu. Next, different type of menu can be added in the application for customers to pick different choices of menu. The third one is all orders gathered in one place. And the last one is can locate the customer's address to deliver the food and charges for delivery. We collected the information needed from our client through an interview. Through the interview, we managed to generate some ideas to make the client's experience handling the business better with using an application. Agile method Scrum is going to be applied for our software development, as it includes the whole team to have a continuous meeting and discussion throughout the whole process until we achieve the ultimate goal of the project. In addition, the method is also to get feedback and opinions from the client itself regarding the application, as well as establishing trust between client and developers. Through this method, our team could work together as a cohesive unit to produce an effective and good quality products that correspond to the client's need. That is all for problem statement and objectives from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mission Haniza Henry, metric number 66649. I will present about the project perspective and task allocation, responsibilities, and contribution. Project perspective. So, this is the system architecture of Agam Puspa cooking web application. As you can see, this is the web-based system. The customer will log in the application through the online hosting, and the order will be placed in the database, and the employee will check the order in the application. The main purpose of this web application is to simplify the ordering process by gathering the order in one place.
Hello, my name is Julian Chwakarchun with matrix number 63281. Here, I am going to present about our project scope. In this project, we are going to develop a web-based application that includes features such as showing the menu of all types of food that are offered and their respective prices. The web application also includes login system features for the clients and customers where they can create an account for them to update their profile. The food in the menu is divided into different categories so customers can easily find what they want. For the clients, they can add, remove, or update the information of the food from the menu. They can also check for the orders that will be placed by the customers. For the customers, they can check the list of food that are offered. They can place an order on the food that they want. Once they have done placing order, they can proceed to checkout. During checkout, they can choose a location to deliver and to choose the payment method. The customers can also choose to cancel the order. Next is system environment. The system environment are hardware and software that are required by our team members to develop the system. The hardware are desktop, laptop, smartphones, and tablets. For the software, we can use Windows 10 as our operating system, Visual Studio Code as our source code editor, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox as our web browser, the website 000webhost.com as our web hosting, and XAMPP for our local hosting. The web development language that we are going to use are HTML version 5, CSS version 3, PHP, and MySQL. Next is system functionality. The first module is user interface, which is used to allow customers to interact with our web-based system. The second module is the company information that contains a submodule, company background and overview, which displays sufficient information about the business. The third module is the menus and prices, which is the section where customers can view all the menus with the price shown. The fourth module is the order. It has three submodules, which are checkout, payment, and proof orders. Checkout is when customers can add orders and choose payment method before proceeding to the payment section. For payment, it is to allow customers to pay when they choose online payment options. For proof orders, customers can obtain a receipt as proof that orders has been received. The last module is Contact Us. It contains submodule contact information, which is to display business contact information, for example, WhatsApp and Facebook. It also contains a submodule inquiry, which allows customers to give reviews or suggestions. That's all from me.
A very good day, I bid to you, madam. My name is Maglin Pintiturin. My metric number is 66546, and I am from the team Imposter. My role is the implementation manager, and my tasks are understanding the methodology that has been used throughout the project, ensure the implementation are completed on time, and meet the client's expectation. And I also support the team by identifying and troubleshooting the technical problems. And I am going to present on about the software methodology. And why Scrum? Out of all the methods that are available to us, we have decided that Scrum method would suit us the best. Why? Simply because it is very simplistic, very efficient, and more so in a smaller project such as ours. And there are 3 characteristics and practices of Scrums. Those 3 are roles, artifacts, and ceremonies. In roles, there are 3 roles: the product master, the scrum master, and also the team members. In the artifacts, there are four artifacts, which are the product backlog, release plan, sprint backlog, and also the burn down charts. In the ceremonies, there are also 4 ceremonies here: the sprint planning, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and also the daily scrum meeting. And that is all from me. Thank you for listening.
Task allocation, responsibility, and contribution. So we will have 8 roles, and their roles is based on their task. The project manager is myself, Mission Haniza Henry. I will lead and manage the project team. The quality manager will be Nur Alia Binti Gapor. She will ensure the system features meet the requirements. Support manager Pauline Tenenjalong. She will collaborate with the team to support all the IT processes. Siti Farida Binti Sodit will have 2 roles, which is planning manager and the test manager. She will meet the client and set goals for the project timeline. She also will implement the system for real-life testing. Michelle CD will be our customer interface manager. She will ensure the design interface is friendly user. Megalyn Binti Dirin will be the implementation manager. She will ensure the implementation are completed on time and meet the client expectation. And the last role is process manager, Julian Chua Kachun. He will ensure the teams have access throughout the development duration.
Hi, my name is Pauline Tenija along with metric number 67472. In this video, I will present the team goals and the expected result of our project. The first team goal is to finish project before they are due. Our team hope that our project can be finished based on the time given. Second, the web application system that we will develop need user satisfaction. And our third goal is to encourage open communication among team members all the time. This is important to deal with misunderstanding from me throughout the ongoing project. Next is team members help each other. This is important to help team members to stay focused and stay motivated by tracking their task progress. And the last one is decision making should be made as a team. Nothing should be finalized before the whole team comes to mutual agreement. Next is expected result. The first one is to produce a user-friendly system. We expect that the system can run smoothly after it is done. Second, application advantages. With the new application system, we expect and hope that it can help our client to increase his monthly sales, profitability, and sales increase. Third is goal achieved, which means the system fulfill the client requirements. Next is interactivity. Client and customers can retrieve the data very fast. This can help our client, Mr. Zoom Hilmi, to save time in terms of keeping track of his customer order. Next is reliability. The network should be up to 99% in order to avoid interruption during any progress when using the system. Next is adaptability. The system and network must adapt to client and customer editing and deleting any change. And the last one is affordability. The implementation of the web application system must be fit within the budget by only using the necessary device. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Faridah binti Sonti. My metric number is 67734. Today I'm going to present about the project planning. As stated in this slide, I do the Gantt chart for the project that we have discussed together from the beginning to the end of the period to complete our project before the due date. We start our project at Monday, 19 October 2020. First of all, we divide our tasks among group members, and the next day, we meet our client to get the information, and we just need one day to complete it. Next, we identify problems, goals, and objectives, analysis of system requirements, documentation of project proposal, review of project proposal, first submission of proposal and presentation, correction and update proposal. And then for the next day, we submit it again for the second time and present it again, the proposal, the last proposal. And then we start designing our system prototype for 26 days, testing of system prototype, documentation of initial report, submission initial report, and do the demonstration for the first system, modification testing and maintaining of system, implementation of system, closure, documentation of project, submission of final project report. For the submission of final project report, I mentioned within 5 days because I'm not sure when the date specified to send, so I keep it 5 days there. And after that we do the project's presentation and do the second demonstration or the last demonstration for our final system. And lastly, we deliver and give it the system to our client. Okay, that's all my presentation for our project planning from Group Imposter. Thank you. Have a good day.